So here's the Mini. So it looks like it's gonna end up being sold. I'll bring it to another mechanic one more time, but I already have it probably sold to this mechanic. So here's the Mini. Finally got it fixed. Actually ended up being sold to I sold it to Discount Mufflers. So basically they're located on Charles Street in North Providence. So basically as you can see before in my other video, the car was not running, and then now it is running. It has, I guess they're selling it now, so it's being resold. It still has 100. Today's cold. It's like really cold. It's coldest day of the year, so I'm pretty sure the idling is not going to be the great because it's obviously cold as hell today. I guess they put all new brakes on it. The airflow sensor, he said. I guess a tune-up. And then obviously they put a new motor. Hold on. It is running. Finally found a place to get it fixed. I brought it to two places I'm not going to mention, but they're located in East Providence. Could not fix this car at all. Sat at one location for about a year. If you guys want to know what it is, just hit me up privately. I'll tell you that privately. But basically at two locations, one sat for about a year and a half. They couldn't fix it. And then another place in East Providence, probably 2 months, got an argument with the owner and the son. Not mentioning them either. But yeah, if you guys want to know who those locations are, basically just let me know privately. But yeah, the car is fixed. So this is the final resting place for this car until somebody, my plan was to have this car back on the road. So there it is. And that's basically what I want this car to be. Being saved, because so basically somebody will enjoy this car. Unfortunately, it was out of my price range, so that's why I made the decision to sell the car. Like I said, it's being sold. It is for sale. I sold it to Discount Mufflers, located on Charles Street, North Providence. I end up selling it to them, and they end up fixing the vehicle. And then basically now they're reselling it. So I guess he wants $6,300 for the vehicle. That's basically, I guess, his asking price. It's probably negotiable, but from as far as I know, he's selling it for $6,300. Again, it's located at Discount Mufflers. Come check it out if you guys want to buy my old Mini. All right, thank you. And I'm grateful for doing business with them. All right, thank you.